Did you know that the word samurai means literally those who serve? Origins: the samurai class emerged in the 8th to 9th centuries in Japan as the warrior retainers of the Japanese nobility. They served their lords with unwavering loyalty and were the backbone of the military forces that conquered and maintained order in the country. Bushido Code: samurai strictly followed the Bushido, also known as the Way of the Warrior. It was a code of conduct that emphasized loyalty, honor, courage, self-discipline, and self-sacrifice. They were expected to be honorable in all aspects of their life, both in battle and in their dealings with others. Weapons: the main weapon of the samurai was the katana, a long, curved, and single-edged sword that was used for cutting and thrusting. They also used bows and spears as their secondary weapons. Later, they adopted firearms such as matchlock muskets and pistols. Armor: samurai wore distinctive large armor called jiyoroi, which consisted of a breastplate, backplate, shoulder pads, arm and leg armor, a helmet, and a cape-like garment called a juba. Later, as warfare evolved, they started wearing lighter armor known as dimaru, which was more flexible and allowed for greater mobility in battle. Military role: samurai served as elite soldiers, bodyguards, and enforcers for their feudal lords, the daimyo. They were responsible for protecting their lord's honor and upholding his interests. During battles, they formed a tight defensive unit called a yari ashigaru, armed with spears and small shields, and they charged into the enemy with great force. Training: from a young age, samurai were trained in various martial arts, including swordsmanship, archery, horseback riding, and spear fighting. They learned to fight not only with weapons, but also with their bare hands and feet. Social class: during the feudal period in Japan, which lasted from the Kamakura era to the Edo era, the samurai became the ruling military class of Japan. They held a high social status and enjoyed certain privileges and exemptions from taxes. Zen influence: many samurai were influenced by Zen Buddhism, which emphasized meditation, self-discipline, and the pursuit of enlightenment. They saw the value of training their minds as well as their bodies and believed that a calm and focused mind was essential for a warrior. Seppuku: in order to preserve their honor and that of their family, samurai practiced seppuku, also known as ritual suicide. If a samurai was defeated or disgraced in battle or found guilty of a serious offense, he was expected to take his own life. Decline: the samurai class began to decline after the Meiji Restoration in 1868. When Japan modernized and westernized, the old feudal system was abolished and the samurai were stripped of their power and privileges. Many of them were forced to work in low-paying jobs or become homeless. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more content on samurai and other warrior cultures.